Hi guys, welcome to Auto Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to add admin to your Facebook page. So first of all we will go into the Facebook app, and here on the top right side corner you will see three lines. Click over that, and on the first option just click over the drop down menu and you have to select your page. So I have already selected my page and this is my page. Okay, so basically you have to I will go back. Okay, I will go to the home page, and here you can see that the first option, that is professional dashboard, you have to click over that. Okay, and you have to scroll down and click on see more, and after that you will see an option that is page access. You have to click over that, and after that here you want to give the access. Here you can do it. So basically the first option is people with Facebook access. You want to give each and every access to the user. You can just click on the add new, and the second option is people with task access. So basically it is only for the specific purpose, like only for uploading something like that. So you can add here. So this is how you can give access to your Facebook page in minimal way, or you can give exactly 100% access to your page. Right, so I hope guys you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.